Welcome back. So in this video we'll see how to measure the performance of algorithm. So the performance of algorithm is determined by two ways, that is time complexity and space complexity. So time complexity means the amount of time taken by algorithm for its execution is time complexity, and space complexity means amount of space taken by algorithm in memory for execution is known as space complexity. So time complexity, there are actually three types of time complexity. So time complexity is of three types. First type is worst case time complexity. Then average case time complexity, average case time complexity, and worst case time, and you can say best case time complexity. Time complexity. So these are the three ways to determine time complexity. So let us see first worst case time complexity. Worst case means maximum amount of time taken by algorithm for execution. Maximum amount of time. It will take maximum amount of time. Then average case means average amount of time taken by algorithm for its execution. Average amount of time taken by algorithm. Okay, and then third one is best case. Best case means minimum amount of time. Minimum amount of time taken by algorithm for its execution. So that is base case. So let us take one example. Suppose there are 5 elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and if you are performing linear search, suppose if you want to search item 1, then you will find 1 is at position number 1. So this is known as base case time complexity because it requires minimum amount of time. Now suppose if you want to search 3, so it will search 1, no answer, 2, no answer, 3, you will get 3. So this is the average case. So again, if you want to search 2, you will skip 1 and then at position 2 you will find the answer. So this is the average case, average amount of time taken. So if you want to search element at 2, 3, 4, then it is average case. And what is worst case? Worst case, suppose if you want to search 5, then you will search for 1, you will not find answer, 2, no, 3, no, 4, no, 5, you will get answer. So this is worst case because it will take maximum time, you have to search the element. So here the time complexity is order of n in worst case complexity, while in base case, worst case complexity. In base case complexity, the time complexity is order of 1 because you have found the element at position number 1. So this is the about worst case, base case and average case time complexity. Now time complexity is determined by two ways. First one is frequency count method and through next is asymptotic notation. Time complexity is determined by two ways, frequency count method and asymptotic notation. So that we will see in upcoming videos. So that's it for this video. Thank you.